Restorative justice is an indigenous practice that is used to build community and to hold each other accountable. The more that you are connected with one another, the more likely you are to repair harm whenever harm does occur. The Restorative Practices Collaborative started in 2019-2020 school year. It was an opportunity for us to bring communities of practice throughout the city of San Antonio in 3 school districts. Restorative justice was an intentional strategy that we decided to move towards because of community input around the urgency to do something different around discipline.
The Harlandale Alternative Center is a secondary DAP, district placement, for students when they get in an offense at their home campus, they have to leave the campus. We have grades from 6th through 12th. We got an in-service at central office on restorative practices, and we knew that was the direction the state wanted to go. They wanted to break that pipeline to prison, and I took a 3-day training. That's where I started saying, we're gonna bring this back.
Me and myself, there's this one kid that we had problems with. I came to him, and we just talked it out instead of fighting it out. And then it actually calmed it down. Then we went through a day without none of us having to get suspended or go to the office.
What I like to tell my kids is, you're 14, you're 15, you got the rest of your life ahead of you. You're fine. We're not throwing you away. You got plenty of life ahead of you.
To date, we have already seen huge shifts in school discipline, attendance. We've also seen structural shifts, such as making sure that there is development for our teachers, and we have seen folks being able to utilize their data systems to be able to reflect on this even without a partnership support.
Restorative justice benefits our students. It's noticeable, it's tangible, you can see it in the schools.
Restorative practice is one way for us to intentionally be connected with ourselves, those around us, and ultimately lead us to building stronger and trusting relationships.